Harissa is a paste we use on our baked chicken and lamb chops harissa, but we also use it to spice up other dishes like paellas and pasta. Start with either minced garlic or whole garlic cloves in a food processor. Then add a paprika you like and some Middle Eastern spices. Here we're using celery seed and ground cumin. Then add salt, chef salt, and lots of cayenne pepper. Puree that to a paste, opening and scraping the bowl every once in a while. Then add extra virgin olive oil till you get a smooth paste. Then we're going to add a little lemon juice and some more olive oil if needed. Then taste. Finish by adding all the aforementioned ingredients, most important, the cayenne pepper and the paprika, and rich chef salt and salt to taste. And voila! Harissa paste.